everybody, and welcome back to Emily's Upcycled Home. On today's video, we're going to paint all the smalls. Well, not all the smalls, some smalls, but we're going to paint all the little things yellow. And the color we're going to use today is Queen Bee by DIY. This is where we are with our duck. It's this beautiful bright yellow Queen Bee paint at the bottom, and here she is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over it with some white wax. DIY white wax, and I'm just going to brush some on and wipe some off. Candle holder, I'm going to add this wood base. It's a wood round my husband got for making his laser coasters, but I'm going to add this here, and I'm going to use E6000 and put it all along the edge, and this will probably just get a wood tone treatment, and then this will all get white waxed to go with our theme of all the pretty things painted yellow. Well, all the things painted yellow because we made them pretty. I'm just gonna go around here, put the glue on. And so your guys's glue does not stick to the container. You can put Vaseline all around the tip so that the glue does not stick. But did I do that? Nope. Okay, so I'm going to add some weight to this, and we're just going to let it dry. Let me see, maybe a can of paint just to help hold that, and then we'll finish this project. So I finished the yellow candle holder off camera. And what I did do is I added little transfers to the front, and these I got off Etsy. I'm not sure if they're a name brand or not, but they're just these little floral transfers, and I believe they're knob transfers. And I added that to the front, and then I added the one with just the wording on the top, and I went ahead and sealed all of it with Rust-Oleum. And then I put a layer of white wax on top, as well as the top. And then for the top wood, I used the brown stain liquid that I have with the black. And I also went over that with white wax. And I'll see you in staging. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. So I think for this piece, I might put some little florals in the front. Let me see what transfers I have, and then we'll probably add some white wax over that. So here's my piece. And I think I'm just gonna kind of throw the key right here. And we'll see how it turns out. That's where I'm gonna leave it. And then I'm gonna go in with my white wax on this piece also. Ribbon, and then I'll throw some flowers in there, and then we'll stage it up for you guys.